Go close.
Hey, enough.
Oh gosh. Oh, I feel like I was in the way.
Say it loud, okay? Yeah, stand in front of them. They're gonna ask first.
Just wait.
Oh my god.
That's my baby.
All you folks, you're my family. You're my friends. Wahalatsu is my ancestral name. We come from Foxen Island. We traveled here with the Kaluk and the Noketjak. We left our home waters with our youth. We left our home waters with our elders. We granted the invitation to the paddle to Elwha. We traveled here with a good heart. We traveled here with good spirit. We're humbled that we get to be here today. There are many trials and tribulations that we went through. We were scheduled for 11 days on the water. But I guess the Creator had different plans. We didn't argue with that. We got here by support boat, by road, and by our arms. We're all grateful that we get to be here. We know you guys have done a lot of work to host us. We look forward to the songs. We look forward to the laughter. We look forward to the hospitality that Elwha is providing for us. We humbly ask that you welcome our canoe family onto your shore. That we would share our songs and our laughter with you.
Now to die, God. God, Jesus, God, everyone, God.